try to sneeze quieter, or maybe stifle. We'll see if it's successful. A lot of the times I can yeah, do that kind of thing. And it's like a hands-free stifle. Like I'm not like touching my nose or pinching my nose or anything. I'm just like, I guess, closing my mouth when I sneeze. Is that the difference? Yeah, I think that's the difference. And a lot of times I mean, like I have really fucking loud sneezes. Like if I just like, okay, let's, yeah. See that? That's the loud sneeze. That's not even like the loudest, I don't think. It's super embarrassing, but like in public, I never sneeze in public. Like if I'm around somebody, I can make it quieter. But not like that. That is too embarrassing. I would not do that. I would do it like, I don't know what I'm trying to do, but it's kind of hard the way I'm doing. Whoa, that was like a half sneeze. I'm using it's really, sorry, really effective, like a paintbrush, like one of those silicone, no, synthetic paintbrushes to induce. And it works really well. And it's making this way harder to like, it's making this way harder. Oh, fuck, that was a false start. I keep doing that too. Because I'm trying to focus on making it quiet. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work. Let's try it. Okay. Phew! I can't do it. Okay, more tissues. Let's try again. Okay. Phew! Oh, see? A little bit. Oh. Yeah. This is way harder than I thought it was going to be today. My nose is like really sensitive right now. Like more than it's ever been in my entire fucking life. It's really blowing my mind here. Okay. I think hold backs would be really hard right now, but I should try that next. Okay, let's see if I can do just, God, a few more quieter ones. We're stiff. Like that, okay. Okay. It sounds so funny. My nose is getting really stuffy now. So, let's see. A few more. Then we'll stop. Stop. Okay. Whoa, okay. Okay, one more. Okay.